Today we're exploring East Coast Park and the new open Jurassic Mile. My car too far. I began at the wrong side of the road, so now I'm still traveling to Dinosaur Mouse and still not reached yet. We are here. Let's go. Welcome to the Jurassic Garden. The best one is the T-Rex, yeah. T-Rex, Raptors, and a bunch of other dinosaurs that you always see in Jurassic Park. It's very interesting. So you can start at the airport, because it's just beside the airport. It's nearer to that. If you started from East Coast Park, then it's gonna be a long cycle. I think it's the second day. Sunday just opened. Today is Monday, so I came here and take a look. But I like the overall feel of that place. Give you another place to visit while you are at East Coast Park. It links East Coast Park and Changi Airport, yes. So if you really want to pay that place a short visit and you don't want to go to East Coast Park, then go to Changi Airport. And from Changi Airport, right, it's just beside Changi Airport only. It's just a short ride. If not, at least stop at the end of the East Coast Park, the one where it's nearer to Changi Airport. If you really like cycling, then this can be one of the pit stop for your cycling. I started at the first car park of East Coast Park around 6, so I think now is around 8. So I cycle back and forth is almost 1 hour from going there and then going back. So just now when I was at the Jurassic Mile, the logo there, I thought, oh yeah, I'm there, but actually no, still a bit further lah. So yeah lor, a bit quite far lah. After you exit East Coast Park, there will be a junction there. Then from a junction, you need to turn left into the Jurassic Mile. So it takes quite a long while lah. So yeah, that's all guys. See you, bye.